Drowning in a sea of tasks? Let's get you organized using Jira's powerful to-do list. First things first, get into Jira and the specific project you're working on. This is your central hub for keeping track. Find your project using the project selection drop-down. Now, click the Create button located at the top to start adding a new task to your list. Think of each task as a different item you need to complete. A Create Issue window pops up. The first thing you will see is the summary field. Carefully give your task a clear and concise title in the summary field. This is what quickly describes what you need to do. Next, select an issue type, such as a task, a bug, an epic if it's a larger project, or even a help desk ticket to track work. Decide which type best fits the task you're adding. You can then set a priority level. This helps you decide what should go first. Click to choose from the different options such as highest, high, medium, low, or lowest priority. Assign yourself or a team member to the task. This ensures accountability and clarity who's responsible for what, which is essential for an effective workflow. Click the assignee to assign the task to a team member. This is the most important part. Fill in the description with as much detail as possible. Any instructions, context, and associated files you may need. The more thorough your description, the easier it will be to track and complete the task. Click Create at the very bottom of the window and your new task is added to your list. Now, your newly created task is visible on your Jira board, which is the place where you can view all your tickets for the day. Move the tasks to the In Progress, To Do, and Done columns to have complete control of your progress. And there you have it. Now, you know how to easily add tasks, take control of your work, and skyrocket your efficiency using Jira. Remember to keep your tasks organized, and your workflow will thank you.